Beer cocktails are one of the most versatile summer drinks. Let's see how to make this easy cocktail, Summer Hoedown. Ingredients needed for this amazing refresher: ice cube, watermelon juice, Maraschino Liqueur or alternatively Cointreau, beer, sugar, watermelon. Ice the glass with sugar and add ice cubes. Add ice into a shaker. Add the watermelon juice into shaker. Add the maraschino liqueur. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Shake it well. Add beer into the mix and serve it. Enjoy the summer cocktails on the sweet side. Thank you for watching, and please leave your comment and subscribe or follow us for more such videos.